Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you tips for being more productive with using the Mac Mail app. Let's dive in. You can add more shortcut to the toolbar for quicker access. To add shortcut, you want to right click on a blank area and then you want to select Customize Toolbar. And then you want to click and drag the shortcut of your choice into the toolbar, and then this will add the shortcut into the toolbar. To automatically sort your emails into folders, you will need to enable Smart Mailbox by clicking on Mail and select New Smart Mailbox. You can either rename it to a different name or use the default name. So I'll rename it to NVIDIA, and I'll set the rules that all emails from NVIDIA will be sorted into the folder NVIDIA. This will apply to all your current and future emails. To adjust the preview line so you can see either more or less of a mail message, you will need to click on the Mail, then Preference, and then click on the tab for viewing, and under List Preview, you can either select a higher number to show more parts of the body of the message, or a lower number to show less parts of the body of the message. To make an email stick out or easier to locate, you can highlight it with a different color so it's easier to locate. Select Format and click on Show Color, and then select a desired color, and that email will now be highlighted in that color. You can change the name of your email account to something more meaningful. For example, Gmail are named Google by default, but I can change the name to Game. To get started, you want to click on Mail and then select Accounts, and then under Description, you can change the name to anything you want, such as Game or Leisure. To save an email, you can either drag the message to a folder or the desktop, or you can save the message as a PDF by clicking on File and then select Export as PDF. View a saved email, you want to first click on the file to select it and hold the space key, and this will open a preview window like this, and you can also click on this button up here to open the email message in the Mail app. You can create a new email without the need to open the Mail app first. Just start by dragging an image to the Mail app icon, and it will open a new window to compose an email message within the Mail app. To change the size of an attachment, such as an image, you can click on the image size option up here and select one of the following options: small, medium, large, or actual size. But selecting a lower quality option can lead to blurry image. And after you select your image quality, you can add boxes and comments to highlight certain part of the image for the recipient. You can reply to part of an email message instead of replying to the entire message by highlighting the part of the message you wish to reply to within the email. And then you select reply, and a new email response will only show the highlighted part of the email message. That concludes the video, and if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching to the end. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting below. See you next time!